What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another wonderful episode of Jessie's Drone Adventures. Today we have a real treat for you. Just recently I traveled to a majestic little town known as Springdale, Utah. Springdale, Utah is famously known for just being a footstep outside of the beautiful Zion National Park. It's a small little tourist town with lots of souvenir shops, hotels, restaurants, and outfitters for all your hiking needs. First and foremost, I gotta say, this is quite a location for a town. I mean, everywhere you look, you are completely surrounded by towering red cliffs and views that really latch onto your imagination and leave you in pure amazement. Now, call me crazy for what I'm about to say next, but I feel like anyone that has been here before can truly relate. You see, I've been here 3 times, and I always feel like this town gives off a very contagious energy, one that keeps you from feeling anything less than happy. Now, maybe it's because the entire time you're here, whether it's walking down the street, staring out your hotel room window, or just filling up your car with gas at the gas station, I feel like your surroundings keep you in awe the entire time you're here, thus creating a consistent feeling of pure bliss. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Let me know in the comments section down below. Now, today we are going to be flying specifically over Springdale because it's illegal to fly within Zion National Park. But that's okay, because I'm all about respecting and preserving its beauty. And if you would like to see what Zion National Park looks like, including a view from the famous Angel's Landing, then click on one of the 2 cards up above to check out one of my previous visits here, and prepare to be amazed. Now, before we get into the aerial views here, I know some of you are thinking, being that this is so close to Zion, can you even fly here? And the answer is, yes, you can. You can fly almost anywhere within the red outline that you see here because it's just a town, like any other town, which means that there really aren't any flight restrictions, none whatsoever. But I say almost because it's always a good practice to double check your map and make sure that there aren't any flight restrictions going on or any updates. And always be mindful of where you're flying. That being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy the views.